Barley cereal starring Riley Taylor, McGill Frimmer. You don't have that technique down yet. Takes a while.
Well, it helps when he's participating.
He is, isn't he?
No. Right now he's mesmerized by the camera.
I think he's mesmerized by me.
He does seem to track you.
He likes me.
Yep.
Yum yum yum.
Yum yum yum. Who's a big boy eating his cereal?
It's good times, that cereal.
Yeah. He just pushes it around with his mouth, with his tongue.
He does swallow some of it.
Num num num. Num num num. Num num num. Num num num. Yummy, yummy, yummies.
Riley, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.